Hey y'all, it is dinner time and today we have hamburger helper, some cheese, and our trusty ghost pepper hot sauce. I'm gonna open it up, add it to our food, do a drop of it, taking it easy.
Must be off the list. I am a shaver. Celebratory drink to celebrate my smooth face.
Got a smoky taste to it. A smoky kick to it. Just a little bit at a time.
To my success and to be
Ooh, we'll go.
closer to Megabed.
For those that are wondering why am I not putting it on, this is ghost pepper. This is hotter than the other one is, so I'm just trying to take it easy. Trying to build up my tolerance for it, but this is good. Hamburger helper with an easy meal. You should make some. Yum. Got some hot sauce. Yum. All right, y'all. Let me know what you think. Enjoy.